traders, Mike from MS100 here with you. I'm going to bring you some technical analysis of the SPY today. I'm just going to let you know up front, I do have all my charts running on my computer right now, so I might actually get a lag with the audio and video on the recording for about 10 seconds. Other than that, let's get on to today and show you what happened. This morning we started selling off on some of Ben Bernanke's comments. Notice how we started consolidating right underneath this trend line here for about an hour today. We first came up and sold off the low. 12 o'clock we made a new low, so I did draw on a trend line here. This is a falling wedge pattern, and falling wedge patterns are bullish. So as the day went on, we actually came up and tested, made a new low again, right on that trend line. And every time we came down on this trend line, we're in a falling wedge pattern. You want to buy on this new low here. If we came up again here, you would sell some. And if we go back down to the bottom, you'd buy some more. And sure enough, we actually tested that trend line and we broke through it. Did some consolidation, and we ended up rallying this afternoon, taking not too much regard to some of the comments that did end up coming out of Ben Bernanke. I guess we were looking forward into some of Apple's numbers, which Apple did come out and beat pretty well. Right now, Apple's trading up in the after hours at 158.40. I do want to take a look at the SPY daily and show you what did happen with that today. Here we are, the SPY daily chart. Taking a look at some of the action that has been happening in the SPY, we just had this blast off of this 88 level here, and we're actually coming up into an area in the market where we could be forming a possible double top. When double tops do form in stocks, I don't look for them to form exactly at the high price. I normally look for a possible push through the high and a continuation day after that, and then I look for the stock or the market to actually turn around and form that top. Now today we did have this hammer candle, which did show that there were a lot of bears in the market, but we did not make a lower low, and the bulls managed to push the market up throughout the day today. But it is a sign that there is some selling pressure here in the markets. Notice just looking at the MACD and the stochastics and the RSI here, RSI looks great, MACD looks great, so do the stochastics. Maybe the stochastics can get embedded up there and we get another push up. But what I'm looking for, if we do get another push up, notice right here this orange line, this is the 50 period moving average, and this teal line here, this is the 20 period moving average, and there's going to be a 2050 cross coming in the next couple days. And normally when we do get a 2050 cross or a 5200 cross on the moving averages, there are a lot of buyers that do come in. Sometimes this is known as a golden cross, and this will actually help prop the market up a little bit because it's showing some more bullishness on the short-term period here with these two moving averages. My personal opinion, I do think we might get another push up tomorrow off these Apple numbers, and then maybe the market is going to start to digest some of this news and actually turn around. I did try one more time today to start building a short position. I did take a small short out on the markets towards the end of the day today, and I will see what is going to happen with that. I'm not looking to hold this short too long if we're moving up much higher in the market, so I'm just going to get rid of it. It was worth a shot at a nice double top here, and we possibly just could keep moving up. There's been a lot of buy-in, and if we do end up coming back down, I am going to watch this 930 level as the first level to move down to, and I will be watching the low here, which is 94.42 for a possible new lower low here in the markets just on the daily chart, and it'll show up on the 30 and the 60-minute chart. So we're going to see what's going on with that. Other than that, I have an update for you midday tomorrow. Tell you what stocks I'm looking at, what's moving in the markets. I definitely am going to be watching Apple, and I am going to be watching the NASDAQ. Maybe that's going to dictate what the market's going to do tomorrow. Good luck trading. I'll talk to you guys later.